The sons of Lotan, Hori and Homam. Timnah was Lotan's sister. The son of Shobal, Alvan, Manahat, Ebal, Shifu, and Onam. The sons of Zibeon, Ai, and Anna. This is the Anna who discovered the hot springs in the desert while he was grazing the donkey of his father Zibeon. The children of Anna, Dishon and Oholibama, daughter of Anna. The sons of Dishon, Hemdan, Eshban, Itran, and Keran. The sons of Ezer, Bilhan, Zaavan, and Akan. The sons of Dishan, Uz, and Aran. If you are not following Bible readings, you are probably never going to see us again. If you are, then congratulations, you are growing every day.